Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
If you look the way the country is today, I'm sure you will agree with me saying things are not working well. We're now in a situation where everywhere is banditry. Everywhere is one criminality or the other. Our people don't get job, they don't get food. So we need to fix it. And for me, that is it. My own be said to make Nigeria work again. My own is to say, make you take this country from where it is now, where the only thing we do is consume. The only thing we do is share. To take it to where we will begin produce again. For me, my life ambition is to see a better Nigeria. I'm not desperate to be president of Nigeria. I'm not desperate to be anything. I'm desperate to see a Nigerian where the youths of Nigeria will be proud to call it their own country and live in it. One thing where I get we say, go check my record. They too get their record. Now, when you check this record and check this record, if Nigerians may tell themselves truth, everybody get record. Me, I don't put my record for one. It get place. All of us get place where we don't work before. So make them go check record. For businessman, not only me and article businessman. In education, all of us go school. School where I go, you know them. If you go there, go ask them. This person, he passed through this school. It's open. So for corporate world, go check. I don't be chairman, director for many companies. I don't even be chairman of Security and Exchange Commission of Nigeria. For governor, I don't work governor of Anambra State. Make you go see him. I work finish. The day where I retire, or when my tenure complete, I no owe gratuity. I no owe pension. I no owe salary. I no owe any contract where supply goods. I don't know any contract where supply where don't finish in contract. I no borrow money for 8 years where I did. Instead, not only me don't live money. The money where I live, the time where I live, with exchange rate at that time, is $500 million. Even without exchange rate at that time, I divide the money into naira and dollar. No other person for since Nigeria begin, don't do that one. So when they check this record, they ask themselves, who is better? my economic policy is to. So you go begin put them out of poverty. And as you put them out of poverty, country go dey better. You go to reduce criminality. Criminality and banditry. The first thing we go do if you want to stop them, is to begin pull people out of poverty. The more people get what they do, the more you reduce criminality. Number two is to equip our security people properly, to man and equip them properly. And that I go do simultaneously. And if you do them, now they do for any other country where we had the same problem where we experience today. It's happened in countries like Brazil, Mexico. It's happened in Asian countries, Vietnam, China. The more you come out people from poverty, the more criminality they reduce. I won't say what in the party go say. If they do and well, nobody say do and rule. If they do and well, Nigeria gets problem. We need people that can fix the problem. We are not in a position to be doing things as we did one before. And the do not to look for, hey, say you don't work for this place before. See your work. You don't work for this place before. Not that we still say that this man spoiled the place. We say we could put them again. No. That now he makes Nigeria. Nigeria gets one problem. Leadership. God gave us everything good. Good weather. Good land. Good food. Everything. The thing we're there bad for Nigeria, leadership. To one get that right now. For the sake of Nigeria. Not be say when somebody there for government, things that they work. He has to say he wants to continue. Continue when the whole thing don't collapse. He won't make all of us die. He won't make us a refugee. I go tell them, say, and they tell them, say, see your place. If you vote for me today, the biggest oil where Nigeria gets, they in the north. Land. Because more money they come out of agriculture than oil. More money. Oil never save Venezuela. Venezuela get 10 times more oil than Nigeria. Even in America, Texas will get oil, where there oil plenty. They not be better state than California, where no get oil. California agriculture they get. Yet, they pass Texas. Their GDP, na 3.3 trillion. 8 times Nigeria. Texas, na 2 trillion. 5 times Nigeria. This one, they 8 times Nigeria. This one, they 3 trillion. So, you see, say, no be oil. New York, where be commerce, trade, even get them more than Texas. So not be oil. Land way there for north. Plenty. You go visit Nigeria. If you go put land way there for, say, Niger State, I want to see the first 6 biggest states in terms of land. Niger State, 76,000 square kilometers. Borno State, 70,000 square kilometers. Taraba, 54,000. All this now, 54,000 plus. You go to Kaduna, 46. Bauchi, 45. By the time Then you put, by the time you put about 6 of them, the first 6, the total land is about 340 square kilometers. It passed the land way there for Vietnam. We get 331,000 square kilometers. Vietnam today, they produce manufacturing goods, everything. They export almost 300 billion. They do manufacturing goods mostly. Electronics, clothing, footwear. We can do it here. In terms of food stuff, like I said, these 7 states, or Nigeria as a whole, now 923,000 square kilometers. Vietnam at 331, now 1/3. Vietnam gets 100 million people who live inside. We get 200 million people. But we know they even export goods of 130 billion. These people with 100, they export goods of 300 billion. For food, with our land, this place, this first 6 states where I mentioned, their land, Netherlands no reach 10% of their land. Yet Netherlands, they export food of $120 billion. 8 times waiting they get for you. 120 with a land of 33,000 square kilometers, including winter, where we not get. I own 12 months of farming, of everything. So there's so much we can achieve. The thing where they important we say, make Nigerians say things they progress. It's not whether you go do it tomorrow or next tomorrow. Maybe as they do and well, like it happened when I go to Anambra State, people go to see them. When I went to Anambra, we they be number 26, 27, Wayeka and Neko. I said we'll be number 1. As we they go along, by the time I don't stay 4 years, people don't see us move from 26 to 10. So we said that we they move. By the time they finish your 8 years, we're number 1. So people want to see, say we're in the right direction. If we say we're going from Lagos to Ibadan, make it be say we're there for the express road. Make we not go there for a bay road, as we do it now. Make people see us for Lagos Ibadan express road. As we move, people are sure, say one day we go reach. Now what I go do for Nigeria, I go turn them to the right direction.